So welcome back friends. In my last video I have shown you how you can make consistent amount of profit from the stock market using just one single indicator. And this video is a continuation of the previous. In the last video many of you have commented that sir, how to code for the scanner. So here I will show you how you can code your own RSI scanner and you can find which stocks are good for swing trading. And we will do this on a platform called Streak. So I have made previously videos on Streak. So there I have shown you how you can make semi-automated trades on the Streak platform. That time I have told you that I will make a separate video on Zerodha Streak and that will be on scanners. So here I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can make your own RSI scanner and how you can find profitable stocks from the Streak platform. So let me show you how you can make your own scanner. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So friends, first you need to go to the Streak platform. I'll give you the link of the Streak platform in the video description and I am also telling you the link. The link is bit.ly/streak.tech. You can go to bit.ly/streaktech. So you need to remember this link, bit.ly/streaktech. And if you cannot remember, don't worry, I'll give you the link in the video description. So click here, you will be redirected to the Streak platform. You can see the Streak platform has opened. So here you can see there is an option called login with Kite. So you can log in with the same Zerodha credentials. Now firstly you need a Zerodha account to trade with Streak. If you do not have a Zerodha account, do not worry, I'll give you a link to open account in Zerodha in the video description too. So as I am already having a Zerodha account, I am directly login with Kite. So I am clicking here, login with Kite. You can see my dear friends, the page is opening. It will first go to the dashboard. So you can see I have been redirected to my dashboard. And in the dashboard, I have previously mentioned about the strategies and all. Today I will discuss about the scanners. So there you can discover already ready-made scanners. So click on the discover option. So there you can find ready-made scanners. So there will be Nifty 50 top gainers, NSE top gainers and price higher than 25, Nifty 500 top gainers and so like that. There are also top losers, NSE top losers, NSE top losers and price lower than 25, something like that. So those are all ready-made scanners. So you can use them right away. Next, under the scanner, there are my scans. So here actually, whatever scanners you have created, those will be shown here. So let me click here. So I have created a simple trading strategy already here. I have created a simple scanner here. I have named it as RSI2 simple. So I can right away I can scan or I can take it live. Or there is an option to edit the scanner and there is an option to delete the scanner also. So you can see already I have a ready-made scanner that has been made by me. Now there is another option called live scans. So here if you click, any live scanners that has been taken live by you, those will be shown. And the last option is create a scanner. Let us create a scanner. So you can see, you can scan on a particular segment of stocks. There are Nifty 50, there is Nifty 100, there are Nifty 500, NFO future, MCX, CDS and so on. And you can also scan from the different segment of the stock like communication services, materials, consumer discretionary and so on. So let us scan on the Nifty 100 stocks. So it will scan any stock present in the Nifty 100 index. And next it is coming the time frame. So we will check the daily time frame. I'll create a scanner for the daily time frame. So let us select 1 day. Then the chart type is candlestick or Heiken Ashi. So I am taking candlestick. Then you need to write down the conditions. In the conditions, there is an assist option. If you make it on, you will get assistance or you will get auto completeness from the Streak platform. Next, you need to write down your conditions. Suppose I will scan on RSI. So I'll write RSI over here. So RSI. So you can see, friends, that the assist option is auto completing your scanning conditions. You have directly got RSI 14 higher than 50. So you can create a scan on this condition also, but I will not create a scanner on RSI 14. Rather, I will create a scanner on RSI 2. And in my last video, I have shown you that RSI 2 can be a highly profitable indicator. Those who have missed the last video, I am showing you the back test also once again. So for that, we need to go to the strategies section and we need to create the strategy over there. So what I'll do, I'll create the same RSI 2 strategy over there and I'll do the back test and I'll show you the back test. So let us go to the create strategy section. So my dear friends, we are now on to the create strategy section. So I have already shown you how to create a strategy on my last video on Zerodha Streak. So today once again I'll show you how to create the strategy of RSI 2 over here. So last time I have shown you an intraday strategy. So this time this is a positional strategy. So we will use the daily chart. So instead of 1 hour, I'll take 1 day. And position is buy and enter quantity. Suppose I am entering quantity as 1. And then we will add the indicator. Suppose the indicator here is RSI. So taking RSI. So now this is 14 RSI by default. So instead of 14, we will make it 2 and click on done. So now it is 2 RSI. You can see by default the assistance coming that 2 RSI crosses above. But our condition will be 2 RSI crosses below. So we will remove it. And instead of crosses above, we will take crosses below. And crosses below level is 1. Click on done. Now add another condition. We do not have any other condition because this is a very simple strategy. So our strategy is simple. The 2 period RSI crosses below 1. So now you can add an exit condition. So this section is optional. So we will have an exit condition. We will exit when the 2 period RSI crosses above 70. So you can see by default once again 14 RSI is coming. So we will make it 2. Click on done. And instead of crosses below, we will remove it and we will write crosses above. So you can see 2 RSI crosses above 70. So our entry condition is 2 RSI crosses below 1 and our exit condition is 2 RSI crosses above 70. Now actually in the strategy we do not have a stop loss or any target because we have simple entry and exit condition. Whenever the entry will be met, we will enter, and whenever the exit will be met, we will exit. So there is no stop loss and no target in my strategy. But actually Streak does not allow you to trade without a stop loss or a target. So I'll keep a long stop loss, say 50%, and I'll keep a long target, say 50%. But this target or stop loss will never meet because before meeting the target or stop loss, the exit conditions will be triggered. So that is as per my experience, as per my extensive backtest and research. So I am keeping a long target of 50% and a long stop loss of 50%. So friends, now our strategy is set. We need to just give a name to the strategy and we need to attach the scripts. So on which scripts we will actually run the strategy. So I'll add the scripts later. First I'll give a name to the strategy. So suppose my name will be RSI to test. So friends, now we will add the stocks. Suppose we will add all the Nifty 50 stocks over here. So I have already the Nifty 50 stocks list downloaded on my desktop. So let me find that file. So this is the all Nifty 50 stocks list. So you can see here is Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Axis Bank. So we will start adding the stocks. So Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, and so on. You can see, my dear friends, one by one I have added all the stocks. You can see I have added all the Nifty 50 stocks. Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, and all the stocks till Z Limited. So I have added all the stocks. So my strategy is now properly set. So we have added all the stocks, we have added the time frame, and we have added the full strategy. Now we can do the back test. So we will now save and back test. Click this button. So now the back test will start. You can see the strategy is quite accurate because most of the stocks we can see there is a profit. And this is actually backtesting the last 5 years data. So we can see the backtest is still on progress. Very few stocks are actually posting losses. All the other stocks are actually posting profits. So this is actually the cash stocks are backtested. So you can imagine if you trade on futures or option, so you can make a fortune from this strategy only. Yeah, so full backtest is done. So my dear friends, you can see most of the stocks are in green. So there will be few stocks which will post losses, but you can see most of the stocks are in green. So friends, you can see the name of the script, then the last traded price, then the backtested profit and loss. Then there is a graphical representation of the win versus losses. So we can see here 9 out of 13 are winning trades. So how many signals you have got, how many wins, how many losses, and everything is actually provided here. So what is the maximum drawdown, that is also provided here. And you can actually download the backtest trade details from here also. So now there is a option called deploy all. So you can select this checkbox and you can actually deploy all the trades. Now we can see this strategy is quite successful and most of the stocks from this list are actually in green. So friends, you can actually deploy this strategy and you can start making profits right away on Zerodha Streak platform. And I have backtested this strategy extensively over the last 10 years data, and I have seen that this strategy actually produces good amount of profit, and I have seen that my 1 lakh rupees has become 2,76,000 rupees in the last 10 years. So that means that is a return of more than 175% from this strategy alone. So you can start deploying this strategy. So you can actually create a scanner and you can actually start following this strategy from now on. So we will go back to the scanner section. So here now see the automatic assistance has given me a RSI 14. So click on RSI. Instead of 14, make it 2. Keep the offset as 0. Click on done. So here previously it was higher than, so we need to delete it. So click on the cross. Now you can create your own input. You can click crosses below. So crosses below RSI 2.0 crosses below. So now instead of 50 we will take 1. So we are getting all the stocks that crosses below 1 in the RSI 2 value. Click on done. Now you need to name your scan. Suppose we are naming the scan as RSI 2 below 1. So now you can click scan and save. So now my dear friends, you can see your scanner is set. You can scan on Nifty 100 stocks. Your time frame is 1 day, so you will scan on daily candles. Chart type is candlestick, and the scanner formula is RSI 2.0 crosses below 1. So we have named the scan as RSI 2 below 1. we are clicking scan and save. So my dear friends, you can see these stocks has actually made the criteria. In Nifty 100 stocks, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. Those are actually where RSI 2 crossed below 1. So those are your buying candidates. You can see these stocks come in the list: Post Limited, Hind Petro, L&T Finance, Mahindra & Mahindra and UPL. So tomorrow you can buy those stocks and you can sell those stocks whenever once again you are getting the RSI above 70, RSI 2 above 70. So for that also you can create a scan. Let us go to my scans. You can see I have already created two scanners. One is RSI 2 below 1 and there was a previous scanner that was RSI 2 simple. Now we will create another scanner. So click on create scanner. So same Nifty 100 stocks, time frame we will take 1 day time frame, chart type will be candlestick, and here in the conditions we will select assist. Let us write RSI. So RSI comes here. We will delete the higher than. Instead of higher than, we will select crosses above. So crosses above, and crosses above value will be 70. Click on done. So now we need to create a name. So RSI 2 above 70. The name is set. So you can see the second scanner, Nifty 100 stocks, time frame 1 day, chart type candlesticks, and RSI 2. Yes, we need to write RSI 2 over here. Click on done. So RSI 2 crosses above 70. So that is the scanner. You can cross check all your scanning options. So you can see I was making a mistake. Instead of RSI 2, I was writing RSI 14. So just before you create the scanner, make sure you cross check all your criteria. So once again we are checking Nifty 100 stocks, time frame 1 day, candlestick, RSI 2 crosses above 70. So now click scan and save. So you can see my dear friends, in these stocks actually RSI 2 crosses above 70. So you can find your buy stocks as well as you can find the exit of the buys. So your two scanners are set. Go to my scan option. You can see these two scanners are done. You can use these two scanners, use the RSI 2 below 1 to find stocks that are good to buy, and whenever you are going to sell those stocks, just use this scanner. Today scan for the stocks where RSI 2 came below 1, tomorrow morning buy those stocks, and also you scan for the stocks where RSI 2 crossed above 70. So sell those stocks, do not short sell, just exit your buy positions from those stocks on the next morning. In this way you can use the Zerodha Streak scanner very efficiently. So friends, I have shown you how you can find your own stocks using your own scanner. You can write your own scanner on the Zerodha Streak platform. So you can find your own stocks, those are good to buy. You can find your own stocks, those are good to exit, and you can trade them on the live market. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.